If you could go back and give yourself one piece of advice, what would it be?
One piece of advice that I would give to any college student, and especially me when I came in, is definitely be comfortable with the uncomfortable.
If I could give myself any advice, it would just be to breathe and let myself know, you got this.
Live fearlessly. Everyone is as clueless as you are, and so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Take every single opportunity.
Don't be afraid to change your mind about things.
There's going to be a lot of situations that you're going to find yourself in that may be a little bit out of your comfort zone, but getting used to that will definitely prepare you for what you have to go through.
I feel like I've done a lot of different things. I have 2 majors. I've definitely had moments of like freak out and stress, and just to relax and enjoy it. And even though there may be those more tense moments, that you'll get through it.
I'm really glad I had the mentality of trying everything as much as I could.
I switched majors 4 times throughout my time here at Rutgers. I've switched schools, so I would just, be passionate about what you want to do at the end of the day. It's the classes you're taking and the life that you're going to live, so don't be afraid to be you.
And just try your best to live without fear.
Isn't that a Taylor Swift song? Fearless?
Fearless.